Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Gadaya Shanti's magnetic eyeliner and lashes. So let's check it out. First we have their magnetic eyeliner. I've seen a lot of videos about this. I've never tried it myself, so I don't know if it works. I guess we're gonna find out. I love the packaging. It's super chic. So how you use it is basically you shake, you have to shake it first and then apply 2 to 3 coats of the liner. Wait for 30 to 90 seconds for the liner to dry and then apply lashes directly on the liner. So you still do need to wait for it to get like tacky, so to speak. Let's see some of their lashes. And they say right here that their lashes are cruelty-free, vegan, hypoallergenic, and reusable. Once again, packaging super chic, super beautiful. Ooh, love it. And I like that this one is a little bit more, like it's glam, but it also can be like a little bit more natural because it's not like super dark. It's like enough spread out. So that's the first one. Another one that they have. Oh, you can see on here, this is a little magnet strip. And over here, the reason why they say it's reusable is because of those magnets that are like dotted along the eyelash. So that is what makes these reusable. They definitely have their own individual characteristics. So for example, this one right here is crisscrossed and this one right there is not. This one is crisscrossed and more full, and this one is crisscrossed and less full. So depending on what style you like, they have a ton of different styles to choose from. All right, so step one, shake this eyeliner and apply. Next one. Okay, shake and apply 2 to 3 coats of liner. So I'm just gonna let that dry just a little bit, and then let's go with the second coat. This one, as you can see, shorter here. That means it's on the inside of my eye. So let's just. Ooh, you can already see that it's trying to like connect. Let's just. All the way connected. Yeah, it just like sticks right on. Because actually I'm like really bad at doing these. Like in general. Yeah, those are definitely the easiest lashes I've ever put on. I'm just really bad at like drawing them like super close and like measuring it out perfectly. But yeah, definitely adds a super drama to the eye. I think it looks super good. Yeah, I might even do lashes a lot more now that it's so much easier. And let's just try to take it off and put it back on. Ooh. And that's it. Some of it got on here a little bit, so probably because it wasn't dry. And you can see the residue is minimal, and you can actually just wipe that off. So yeah, so that's the Gadaya Shanti magnetic lashes. If you would like to purchase this, check out the link below. If you have comments, questions, concerns, let me know as well as the comments, and I'll try to get back to you ASAP. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and continue watching for more unboxings and reviews, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.